Hey there! Today, I'll be showing you how to create a video on Pictory, the new and exciting video making app that lets you tell your stories in a unique and creative way. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or just looking for a fun new way to express yourself, Pictory is a must-try. Step 1. Install the app first. Download the Pictory app from the App Store. Once you've installed it, sign up for an account and log in. Step 2. Choose your template. Once you're in the app, you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Each template is designed to help you create a specific type of video, such as a travel vlog, food diary, or product review. Choose the template that best suits your needs and select it. Step 3. Add your photos and videos. Pictory gives you the ability to add photos and videos from your camera roll. Simply select the media you want to include, arrange it in the order you like, and watch your story come to life. You can also add music from Pictory's library or from your own music collection to enhance your video. Step 4. Add captions. Pictory also allows you to add captions to your video. You can choose from a variety of fonts and styles to add text to your photos and videos, making it easy to communicate your message. Step 5. Export and share. Once you're happy with your video, hit the export button and wait for the app to process it. Then, you can share your video directly from the app to social media, email, or anywhere else you like. And that's it! With Pictory, creating amazing videos has never been easier. Give it a try and see what you can come up with. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.